Ken Fane Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. If you don't know this about us by now, we love yachts. We've done a lot of them, and we love a challenge. So when the captain of this yacht came to us and said, "Gotta have a whole tile floor by the end of the month," first of all, it was quite something to pull that off with our calendar. But second of all, when you're dealing with yachts, there are a number of things that you're concerned about. You're concerned about the fact that the boat is constantly moving. You're concerned that maybe the structure is going to move. You don't have a lot of square edges. A boat curves out and curves in, so you got to follow those curves with your tile. And our master installer, Dave Potter, put it in. This is day number 2. Everything's set. Tomorrow we grout. We use Schluter. You've heard me talk about Schluter before. Schluter Ditra, in order to make sure that with a little bit of motion in the boat, the tile is not going to crack. I think this polished porcelain tile floor came out beautifully. And even though it's not done, do you agree? Ken Fane, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.